Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust default zero distance in Arena Breakout Infinite. To adjust default zero distance, click on Escape to enter menu, then make sure you are in Game tab. Then go to default zero distance and expand. Now you can adjust the default zero distance for different magnifications. These zero distance settings will be applied to all scopes at the same magnification. So let's, for example, change the distance for 4 times magnification to 100 meters. And now click on Save, Confirm, and you can click here to go back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.